Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about a tricky problem. That is the radical equation. Now, let's get started. We have square root of 17 minus x squared equal to 3 minus square root of x squared. First of all, we have to put the condition for this equation on the left hand side. Is the square root radical. So we have x have to be greater or equal than square root of 17, negative square root of 17, and smaller than square root of 17. On the right hand side, of course, this always greater or equal than 0 because that is square, but we have square root of x, so it means x has to be greater or equal than 0. Combine two these, we will have x between 0 and square root of 17. So that is the condition of x for this equation. Now look back to the equation. Normally for natural thinking, we think about the substitution, and the first look up the equation you will put like this: x equal to square root of 17 minus x squared, and something like p equal to square root of x. Then if you do like this, you will have x equal to 3 minus p square. And the relation between a and b is a square plus b power 4 equal to 17. So combine with this one, so we will have a minus 3p square equal to 0. So you see that this is the system equation. It is not easy system equation, and even this is very weird thing, and you will find that difficult to do that. So instead of that, you do another way. You see the relation between the x and the x squared here. So to put the substitution, you can put the 8 equal to square 3 minus square root of x. Then you will have square root of 7 minus x squared equal to a squared. Then you put p equal to square root of x. Then we have p squared equal to x. And compile the substitution variable, you will have a squared equal to 17 minus p power 4, and a plus b equal to 3. From this, you will have a power of 4 plus p power of 4 equal to 17, and a plus b equal to 3. Then you see the form of this system equation is look like easy than the first one I mentioned to you. This one. Of course, we can still show this system equation. I will show you the way to do that later, but for this video with more focus on this kind of system equation. And this, you will have the first equation will be equal ab square minus 2ab square minus 2a square b square equal to 17, and a plus b equal to 3, and replace the value a plus b into the first equation. You will see 9 minus 2ab square minus 2a square b square equal to 17, and rewrite the second equation. Then finally, you will have the quadratic equation of the AB. So you will have 2a square b square minus 36ab plus 64 equal to 0. And from this, you will see the value of AB is AB equal to 16 or AB equal to 2. And we have the product of the two numbers, and we also have the sum of the two numbers. Then this will be the root of this equation. If the sum is 3, so 3z plus, we replace 16 in this case. So for this equation, this have no root because this only greater than 0, so this is impossible. So for the second case, it's z square minus 3z plus 2. So for the second, z will be equal to 2 or equal to 1. And from that, we have square root of x equal to 2 or square root of x equal to 1. And x will be equal to 4 or x equal to 1. So that is the final result of this equation. So go back to the first system equation. We ignore, and you see that we still can solve this system equation by replace a from the second equation into the first equation by 3 minus b power of 4. And we have 3 minus b power of 4 minus p power of 4 plus p power of 4 equal to 17. When you expand it, you will have the equation with that power of 4, and you can continue to put the substitution of the substitution. In this case, we have you can put m is equal to 3 minus b, and n equal to b, and m power of 4 equal to m power of 4 plus n power of 4 equal to 17, and m plus n equal to 3. So you can see and solve this equation, but it is a little bit nesting substitution. It's more complex than the way I put substitution below. So that's why I go with this system equation. That's all. I think it will help you for your exercise and also your examination. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.